Hello, my name is Sarah Burr, and I am in the LPN to BSN program for nursing. I currently, obviously, am an LPN at a family practice clinic in Cannon Falls, Minnesota, which happens to be my hometown. I was born in a small town of Coates in Minnesota, but moved to Cannon Falls shortly after. I think I was 3 years old. I love Cannon Falls, but relocated for a friend who I went to high school with. So we are in Red Wing, hoping to get back to Cannon Falls shortly. I have four children, a 8-year-old, a 7-year-old, 5-year-old, and a 4-month-old, all boys. I just recently brought home a puppy, a golden doodle named Dodge, and he is a wonderful addition to our family, hoping that he grows up with the 4-month-old. I enjoy snowmobiling in the winter. Obviously, I live in Minnesota. And in the summer, I like to fish. Preferably, I like to fish during the summer, but if I have to fish during the winter, we do have ice fishing supplies where we can do that pretty much anywhere. And I hope to increase my speaking abilities over this class, and I'm extremely excited to get to know everybody. Thank you.